Well, ain't no slouch though. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Bigger one though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See him over here. Woo! Yeah, that's a good one there. He don't want to give up, Marty.
Good?
Yeah, he's pulling some drag. This might be that 15-pounder. There he comes. That was a sniper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quit playing with him, bring him on in.
You know, hey, finesse this kind of stuff now. Come on.
At least he didn't run under the boat on you.
He's almost there. Oh, I'm about to get this.
Well, I can tell you how deep he is. Let's see. Might be a bull shark.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like a bull, dude.
I think, yeah, it is a bull shark.
Good Lord.
Get ready, gonna run again. Look at that, boy. Another shark.
I mean, it's
from over here
nothing
too.
like Sir Walter Chaz there, but it's better than what I do.
Getting close. See the leader. Yeah, he ain't too shabby. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Got one trying to take out the rod holder. Now, he came way up off the bottom to get that. Talk to me. Yeah.
There's a snapper.
Oh yeah.
Getting him now. Get those sea bass out of the way.
Oh yeah, he's pumping.
You might have to get the wide angle lens on them pythons right there.
Having a hard time getting around you here. Oh yeah, that's a good one there, Marty. That's the one you've been looking for, boy.
More right there.
Look at that.
Woo! Nice. Ah, there he is. There he is.
Oh, I missed him. Ears up.
Not too shabby.
Now I'm recording. Oh yeah. Yeah, he was pouring the coals to it when he first hooked him. Still doing pretty good. Leader. Yeah, about 10 pounds.
I ain't grabbing for that. They gonna caught bigger fish than I came for.
Turning this into a habit.